Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, then click all. Thanks! Hi everyone, welcome back. And in this video, I am going to show you how to fix this nail tip here. As you can see, there's a big chunk taken out of it, and I'm going to be using my natural gel to do it. Here is my natural gel, and it is for sale. If you are interested in making a purchase, my email is in the description box below. You can email me and I will send you all that information. First thing you need to do is make sure the nail is clean and oil free. And now I'm just going to take my white buffing block and just buff right around the area where I'm going to fill it in and correct that gouge that's taken out. And now I'm just cleaning the nail again with isopropyl alcohol. I'm going to be applying IBD Power Bond Gel Bonder. This is an air dry bonder, and when it dries, it remains tacky. It dries within 30 seconds, but it's not like a base gel that you cure, okay? My gel that I'm using does not require a base because the base is inside the gel already. A bonder is just that. It helps the gel bond to the nail surface. And I just apply it right where that piece of nail is missing. And I'll let that dry for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. I use my liner brush to apply the first layer of gel, and then I cure that for 1 minute. Be sure to follow the arrow and watch my natural gel playlist, because I not only use this gel to fix broken nails and imperfections in the nails, I use this gel to create nail extensions and to do overlays. Please disregard any prices that may be mentioned in any of those videos in the playlist, because when you write me, I will give you the current up-to-date prices. And now it's time to apply the second layer right around where the nail was broken, and I will again cure that for 1 minute. This video was filmed in March 2021, and it is now July 2021, and my natural nails have grown so long. You would not believe it. I remove the form, clean the nail with isopropyl alcohol, and file it and shape it. Okay, so I will clean the dust off. And you can see that the nail is fixed now. The tip area, it looks nice, but you can also tell down by the cuticle area that the nail needs filled. So it's not completely finished right now. I have to come back in with my clear builder gel and fill the nail back by the cuticle area, and probably add a little bit more structure, and also capping in what I filled in on the tip. But yeah, that's basically how you fix a nail that's broken or a part of it's missing or whatever, and you can use my natural gel to do it. And that's it. Thank you so much for being here and watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!